For the first part of this tutorial, you'll need the sensor mount, the included M2.5x10 screw and a T8 screwdriver. First, unscrew the battery mount screw and put it aside. Keep the screw in case you need to remove the mount later. Place the sensor holder flat and slide it so that the hooks secure against the battery holder. Insert the 2.5x10 screw and tighten it to secure the sensor holder. Your drone is now gas sensor ready. Place the sensor onto the holder. It should fit snugly. Now you'll need the T6 screwdriver and the 3 M2 screws that are included. Place the screws. Screw the 3 screws around the sensor to make sure it's secured to the drone. Connect the aux connector to the drone and make sure you hear a click. Your drone is now ready.